got that feeling. The sun in my face, it's so well needed. Life will take care of the rest. Biking alone in the sunset, through the canal, so the mindset I needed. Yeah, I needed. Just you and I.
From the front.
Let's find Kuya. Here. Anong usapan natin? Get 3 Lego, but every week, 1 only. You can't open until you finish it, diba? That's the deal. Okay? O, get na. Deal namin sa kanya yon eh. Monday, nag-start na siya, natapos niya ng Friday.
City!
Ayan, o.
Big one.
Oh, what else do you want? The orange one. Don't like it? Pagka nawala na yung parts, wala na, tatapon na. Sayang yung mga Lego niya. Kaya dapat isa-isa lang, tapos build talaga. Kuya, ang dami. Dapat yung isahan lang. Pakialamerang na. The airplane. Oh.
That's my basket.
There you go. That's your basket.
No.
Oh, let's go
Only
here.
for boys.
What is it? The Baby Shark Doctor Kit, right? Like that?
Daddy, we have to close that.
You have to close the laptop?
Daddy, wait. Look at there.
Where?
Look at there.
It's the eggs.
Oh,
Puzzle? It's a puzzle.
I want
Oh, you want it? Oh, put it there. Drop it. Good job. High five. There. You want that?
so cute.
It's so cute.
Daddy, look.
Where? This?
I don't.
You don't want that. Okay. Sige. Laptop.
Okay. Oh, get one more.
One more?
Kuya, ikaw din. Kahit hindi
One
na Lego,
more?
so you can play it later. Ayan, maganda yan.
Diba?
Ano si Lucas?
Oh.
Iniwan na tayo. Ang cute naman itong octopus. What is this?
Uh-oh.
It's an octopus. Hindi siya, oh look. It's octopus. You like it? No. Okay, madali ka. Sorry, Franca, yung anak ko. Sa pa yan na. Lia, look oh. There's a set of doll. You don't like? Okay, fine. Dali ako kausap. No Moana again? Oh no, kiss.
There's no Moana.
There's no Moana.
Bigger.
Oo, sige, yan. Get mo na yan. Oh, enough na. The two will be hidden at Mommy's room. Okay. They have Cinderella. They have Elsa. You want to try?
Yeah.
Try to
Properly.
Is this big for you? What do you think? Wow!
Wow.
Look, oh, look, oh. Look, oh, Elsa. It's Elsa. Okay, I'll try it. Go push.
Like it, we have to do it outside.
You want that or this one? Xbox. Xbox. Oh, what do you want? Purple? Xbox.
The other way.
Diba kailangan nga nila ng bike para matuto sila? Go, Shumay, go! Go, Kuya! Do you like this?
Yes.
Try this one. Wow! Pinipilit na ng magulang na bibilhan, ayaw pa. Let's pay na, let's pay. Say thank you to Daddy, ha? Mahal, buong August may toys na si Lucas.
Three. Alright. Alright.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy po. Love you.
It's vegetables. It's healthy for you. You're gonna eat it?
I'll eat pineapple.
Is that a pineapple?
Thank you, Daddy Ray. Thank you, Daddy Ray. Yung anak ko nawawala eh. Thank you, Daddy Ray. Sab muna ako.
Daddy and mommy.
Ayun, yung Spider-Man.
I don't know.
Tingnan niya ako.
There are butterfly and heart. Fly heart. Kuya. Oh, do you want that?
Si Mami na dito, ha? Kaartehan ni Mami to. Incredible o Deadpool? Oh, Spider-Man na lang, kuya. Oh, tulog ka. Hindi po yung silver. Eto, Teo.
Daddy, there's moon. There's a car for Kuya. Yes, Christmas tree one.
Si Bea pag nag-look eh.
And there beyond.
A is for what?
Paul.
B is for what? B is for...
Daddy, come.
Maybe she's over there. I see you. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10. Maria, Lucas, where are you? I see you.
Daddy was at the Daddy.
Kung depende, pwede pang basketball ah.
Daddy. Daddy.
Hey! Hey! One shot. Give me that!
For the first time in ages, I wake up and don't hate it. I guess I found some peace. Through the day to the evening, without shouting and screaming, something new to me. Alone without being lonely, getting back to the old me. It's kinda nice to feel free. I thought this was over, thought I could control it. But if I speak the truth, I ain't over you. I was feeling sober until you came up now. I don't know what to do. I ain't over you. I ain't over. I ain't over. No matter what I do, I ain't over you. Give it time, things will settle.
Nalugi sa mag-ama!
Ah, di ba kakabit yun? Oh, ito. Lumipat ako. Lumipat si Lucas.
Iwan ako ba? Oo, nakakapagod to. Order na lang tayong pagkain.
That's just how it goes. I'm something lonely. Getting back to the old me. I'm sinking way too deep. I thought this was over. Thought I could control it. But if I speak the truth, I ain't over you. I was
Ayoko mamaya may mga away sa akin. Napagod ako. Ako naman itulak niyo. Ako naman, nagtulak ako sa inyo eh. Pabili. Tia, how much the tea?
$7.
$7.
May pat.
Here's your $7.
Hey. Bukas palis.
Di mo nga man lang ako dinate eh.
Ha?
Di tayo nag-date ng dalawa lang tayo eh. Oh, kayo tayo kumain ng tayong dalawa lang.
Never. Sa Pinas,
Kahit tapsilog, di natin nagawa eh.
with much power comes much responsibility. Ginawa Spider-Man. Bali pala. Bali pala.
Bibi!
Okay, bawi ako sa Japan. Ah! Nakapag-yakinigo tayo.
Okay.
Kayo.
Dito tayo nagawa?
Ganda!
Bata ka, galero ko ng text. Ano ba? Nabuto ba? Text.
Oo.
Oo.
Mommy! Oh, nice! We have to put that on fire!
Yeah, fire!
it is. Very good job. I need to cut it.
Hindi na pala kailangan mo ito nito. Masarap mangga.
Mas masarap yan pag nabibili na.
Ako pinaglihin mo nun.
Idea?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti ni Kuya Sam.
Kuya Sam, tsaka chicken spag na hinggab. Toge talaga, mahal.
My mommy. My mommy. Joke lang.
Where's my baby?
I'm just joking.
We're just joking.
Just joking.
Are you jealous to daddy? Okay, so
Oh, you're my baby. You're my baby. Oh, you're my baby. Oh,
Hindi pala siya sa'yo nagsiselo. Siya palang dapat na baby, hindi ikaw.
baby. Big hug, big hug.
lugan, may kaagaw na.
Wow. Arashi.
Ang sakit. I'm okay. Parang yung batang ano, patay mali siya.
I'm okay. Tapos mamaya namumula na. May sugat na. I'm okay. Kuya, high jump talaga. Try mo.
Malaki kitaan sa Olympics. 2.5M. Last dinner bago bumalik ng Japan.
Yup. Family dinner.
Love you, kuya. We love you, daddy.
Love you, Daddy. See you next time.
We love you, dad. We love you, dad. Tatay ka namin lahat eh. Thanks, dad. Mga anak mo. Are you tired? Are you hungry?
Yes.
Hungry? Wow.
Huling dinner bago bumalik sa Japan. LDR na naman tayo.
I-miss ko kayo. I-miss ko yung chaos. I-miss ko yung kulit. Magsasaway, everything.
Are you going to miss daddy, Bia? Kuya, are you going to miss daddy?
No!
Yes.
Sacrifice muna.
Back to LDR na naman. Naiisip ko pa lang. Ang sakit na ng ulo ko. Alam niyo, ang dali-dali ng buhay ko sa Pilipinas pag dito si Ray. Grabe talaga. Ang sarap nung may partner ka. Okay, marching band po.
Simple, simple, simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. It's different, different, different kind. We'll try to take it one by one.
How to walk like a model? Tinuturo na naman.
Ano, bilang apa. Makabili lang natin na.
You were the top that eclipsed the room. I was the one who arrived too soon, but no one would ever bet against us. If they saw us exchanging glances, I was too busy.
It's very good boy to sleep.
You were too
Daddy, you're so funny.
We go on and on.
Love you guys. Please be good, okay?
Daddy, are you going to Japan?
Yes, Daddy has to work. Please be good boy, kuya, ha?
Tara, may construction site pa kami sa side, oh.
Here's our...
Don't forget Daddy, ha?
Oh, bye-bye. Tamang tinatamad ihatid si Daddy. Ayoko nito. Ayoko nito.
Now we go on and on with this poor love song we've been working on far too long.
Love you, Daddy. Bye-bye, Daddy. See you soon.
Bye, Daddy. See you soon. See you soon.
Love you guys so much. I'll bring back toys, okay?
Yay! Another toy for dear Kuya and Ate. That's enough. Dad, I already have a lot of toys.
Daddy doesn't have to leave.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
I'm so sorry, Daddy.
Sorry, Daddy. Bye, Daddy.
We love you.
Love you.
Who loves Daddy?
Now we go on and on with this poor love song.
Life. Isip ko kung bakit ganito ang langit. Nilayo ako sa'yo. First LDR as mag-fiancé. Here we go. Ayan, back to LDR kayo. Pupuntahan na lang kita, mahal, sa Japan. Promise ko sa'yo, susubukan ko gumawa ng 4 na linggo sa isang buwan, kahit 1 linggo lang. O ilang araw sa isang buwan na mapuntahan kita. Nice!
I appreciate that. Ano naman yun, eh.
Kamang bababae sa Japan, sinasabi ko sa'yo. Sa mga taga-Osaka dyan, tantanan nyo tong fiancé ko, ha.
Pamilyado, pamilyado.
Love you, Daddy. Love you, Daddy, so much.
Ito yung mga bata, ha? Wala pa.
Mukha nang iiwanan.
Ganda pa din.
Wasted. Tatanong ka ba't ako malambing ilang araw na? Ito yung sagot. Wala na akong karapatan magtupak.
Dalawa na ni Rana
True.
sasaluhan kung gano'n na ako.
Dalawa kami back to LDR. Bad trips. Love you, Daddy. Great life.
Work.
Galingan mo this season, ha?
Galingan natin. Tiwala lang.
Hindi ako nalulungkot para sa sarili ko. Nalulungkot ako para sa mga bata talaga.
Ako naman, di ba?
As OFW, mahal.
Have to do what I have to do.
Galingan mo, ha?
Tiwala lang.
Buong service nag-aantay at nakasuporta sa'yo, mahal. We're so proud of you. Lalo na yung mga bata. Gamit niya na yung gift ko.